Hello everyone. Now today I will explain question number 1 and 2 of exercise 5.3. So in question number 1 we have matched the following. So they have given, according to the question, they have 5 choices given, and on the other side they have given 6 options, so one extra option is given. Now I will write the right option in front of every choice. Okay, now what is a straight angle? So you have to find out the right option for the straight angle. So we know that straight angle is equals to what? Straight angle is equals to 180 degree, isn't it? So you have to see the options according to this degree. So straight angle is 180 degree. So 180 degree is what? Half a revolution, isn't it? Because a complete revolution is what? 360 degree. So what is the half of 360 degree? It is 180 degree. So we'll write option number C. So option number C is the right choice for straight angle. That is, you have to write half a revolution. Now straight angle, right angle means what? What is right angle? Right angle means it has to be equals to 90 degree. That means it has to be exactly 90 degree. Now which option is right for the right angle? That is 1/4 of the revolution. 1/4 of the revolution means one revolution is equals to what? 360 degree, and 1/4 means what? You are dividing the 360 degree by 4, isn't it? That means when you are dividing a revolution by 4, that will give you a 90 degree, because 360 divided by 4 is what? 90 degrees. So your right option would be D, and you have to write the option, that is 1/4 of the revolution. 1/4 of revolution. Okay. Now acute angle means something which is less than 90 degree. Okay, something which is less than 90 degree. Now which option is right? So we'll write less than 1/4 of the revolution, because if 1/4 of the revolution is 90 degree, so obviously acute angle will represent which option? That is the angle which are less than 1/4, and 1/4 of the revolution is what? 90 degree. So we can say less than 90 degree. So the option number A is the correct one. So that is less than 1/4 of revolution. 1/4 of revolution. Okay. Now obtuse angle is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. So this is the option, more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So which option would be the right option? It would be between 1/4 and half of the revolution. Now 1/4 revolution means what? 1/4 revolution means 90 degree, and half revolution means what? 180 degree. So the angles which falls in between 1/4, that is 90, and half, that is 180 degree. That is angle which falls under 90 degree and 180 degree will be said, or will be termed as obtuse angle. Okay. So the option number E, I guess. Yes, this is E. So we'll write between 1/4 and half of a revolution. Half of a revolution. Okay. Now reflex angle. Now what is reflex angle? Reflex angle is more than 180 degree, students. More than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So this is the range, that is the angle which falls in between 180 degree and 360 degree will be termed as reflex angle. Now which option would be the right one for this? The option would be B, I guess. Yes, that is more than half of a revolution. That is angle which are more than, that is option number B. Option number B, that is more than half of a revolution. More than half a revolution. More than half a revolution. Fine. And there is one extra option is given, that is one complete revolution. For that we don't have any choice, so we'll keep that aside. Okay, so this is a complete solution of question number 1. Now let's move on to question number 2. So in question number 2, what we have to do? In question number 2, we see that there's some drawings are given. Fine. So we have to classify all these drawings as a straight angle or right angle or acute angle. Okay. So we have to classify all the drawing on the basis of on the basis of right angle, straight angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, and the last option they have given is reflex angle. Fine. So now we'll draw the figure and then we'll say which figure represents what. So this is question number 1. So this is the figure number 1. Now this is the angle that we have to say, and this. So now tell me what type of figure, what type of angle is this? As you see, this angle is less than 90 degree. So we know that any angle which is less than 90 degree will be termed as what? Acute angle. So this will be termed as acute angle. Since why? Because it is less than 90 degree. Okay. Now let's move on to sum number 2. So what is sum number 2? We have sum number 2. We have this figure. We have this figure, and we have to name this angle. What type of angle is this? Now you see, if you carefully observe, students, you see 90 degrees here. So this is 90 degree, isn't it? So this is 90 degree. Now this angle is more than 90 degree. So the angle which is more than 90 degree, and if I draw one line this, so this whole angle will be what? 180 degree. This whole part will be 180 degree, and this is 90 degree. Up till here it is 90 degree. So this angle is falling between 90 degree and 180 degree. So what type of angle is this? This is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. Okay. And why this is obtuse angle? Because it is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So this is the reason we have given the name of this angle as obtuse angle. Now let's move on to sum number 3, students. Sum number 3. Now what we have in sum number 3, this is a figure we have in sum number 3. So yes, this is a very, very easy figure. Now what angle is this? You see, what angle is this? Absolutely right. So this is right angle triangle, as this measures exactly 90 degree. So we'll name this angle as right angle. Right angle. Why? Why? Because it is equals to 90 degree. This is equals to 90 degree. Now let's move on to the next page now. Now we'll see what is there in sum number 4. So what we have in sum number 4? We have this figure, students. We have this figure. And be careful which angle they are asking. Sometimes what happens that you don't tend to see the angle and you name it. Many of the students name this angle as acute angle, but this is not acute. You see, if they would have asked this angle, isn't it? This angle. See, if this angle would have been asked, so this is what? Acute angle. This is less than 90 degree. But they have asked this angle, students. Now this angle is what? This angle is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So this angle we will name it as reflex angle. And why? And why is this so? So this would be because this is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay? Just a minute. Now let's do sum number. This is 360 degree. Okay, let's leave it. 360 degree. Okay. Now sum number 5. Sum number 5. Just a minute. Sum number 5. So what figure we have in sum number 5? This is the figure we have in sum number 5. So straight line, and then one line is drawn like this. Okay. Now they have asked what type of angle is this? You see, this is a straight angle. So this whole angle will be what? Half a revolution. And this will be termed as what? Exactly, this is a straight angle. This is a straight angle. And why this is a straight angle? Because it measures 180 degree. 180 degree. So it is exactly equals to 180 degree. Now let's see the last sum of today's session, that is sum number 6. Sum number 6, what we have? We have this figure. and you have to carefully see that which angle you have to name. Which angle you have to name, students. So these are the two angles that you have to name. So what type of angle is this? Obviously these are less than 90 degree. So when any angle is less than 90 degree, we will name it as acute angle. We will name it as acute angle. And why we have written this? Because it is less than 90 degree. Because the angles are less than 90 degree. So I hope all of you have understood these two sums. So that's it for today's session, guys. Thank you. God bless you all and take care.